Hi guys, this is Paula Peachie and welcome back to my channel. Dream mo bang magkaroon ng Korean skin? Fan ka ba ng mga Korean products? Or sensitive or prone acne skin ka ba? Well then, I have a good news for you. Recently, nakadiscover ako ng beauty products na pwede sa skin ko since sensitive and prone acne skin ako. When it comes to beauty products, napaka-particular ko dahil nga marami na akong na-try before. Name it, from the cheapest one to the most expensive one. Na-try ko na. Hindi sila nagiging successful and I realized it's just a waste of time and money. So, for today's vlog, I'm happy to share with you what is my skincare products or what is my skincare secret. So, mag-a-unpack tayo. Are you excited to know what is my skincare secret? Eto na! Taran! From Nacific. Hey! Ito yon. I-unbox natin siya. First, I have this Phyto Niacin Whitening Kit. Meron siyang toner. May 4 items siya sa loob. Toner, Whitening Essence, tune-up cream, and also EM soap. So, sa mga gustong mag-try, this kit is maglalast siya ng 2 to 3 weeks. And tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob niya. EM soap. EM soap. Ang cute, oh. Pacific Whitening Toner, tone-up cream, Phyto Niacin Whitening Essence. So sa kit na to, kompleto na lahat yung kailangan mo. And most especially kapag magta-travel ka, very convenient siya kapag gagamitin. Meron namang regular size, may whitening toner. Ganito yung whitening toner niya. Regular size, tone-up cream, regular size, whitening essence also na regular size. Meron din silang binigay sa akin. Tadaan! Whitening mask. Yay! My favorite. At binigyan nila ako ng mirror. Thank you po. So ayun, i-share ko po sa inyo kung paano ko po sila ginagamit. Watch this! So, for the first step is EM soap. Nakaka-feeling fresh siya and nakaka-hydrate and anti-inflammatory na rin siya to boost our skin's moisture level. Second step, after mong mag-facial wash, Phyto Niacin toner. It whitens and also reduces skin irritations from UV sa mga direct sunlight. Lalo na ako, lagi ako lumalabas ng bahay. Ito, Phyto Niacin Whitening Toner. Step 3, after mo mag-toner, mag-whitening essence ka. Favorite ko siya dahil nakaka-moisturize na siya and also nagla-lighten. Meron siyang vitamin C to fight skin irritations, dullness, and also to regenerate our skin. Step 4, after mag-whitening essence, meron tayong tone-up cream. Nakaka-lighten siya or whiten our skin. Pwede rin siyang i-apply sa other parts of your body like siko, neck, and also yung tuhod mo. At pwede rin siyang maging makeup base para maging natural and flawless finish look. Last but not the least is yung whitening mask nila. It fights wrinkles, nagmi-minimize siya ng pores. Also, meron siyang whitening effect. So that's it. I hope na na-encourage ko kayo at natulungan ko kayo sa mga skin troubles nyo or na-solve natin ang skin worries nyo and reasons bakit ko ginagamit or napiling gamitin ang product na to. Dahil una-una, affordable, organic, and also very effective siya. If you want to know more about this product, just visit Nacific Beauty Products PH or just message Miss Jane Dizon. For more future vlogs, please hit the like, subscribe, and click the bell button. Thank you for watching. Bye!